Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Ecomi. What's the current price of the Ecomi, what's the price is occur in the OMI, and this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe this tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Anyways friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. So friends, first of all we talk about the current price of the OMI coin. The price of the OMI coin is 0.003792 USD dollar is the current price of the OMI. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the OMI coin. So oh my god, what's going in the OMI coin? OMI coin fast down? Oh, I'm really shocked. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is going down. Absolutely, that's a really bad news for me that the OMI coin fast down from the previous last 1 week. What's the reason behind it? Let's see my friends. Why the price of the OMI coin? Oh my god. Oh my god. As you can see here this time. At this time the price of the OMI coin pump, and after this fast, after this jump again the price is dump. The reason is that my friends, that as you can see here, oh my god, what's wrong with you? Wait for it. So friends, the reason is that it's especially the short-term investor buy OMI coin in the start of jumping time. So friends, as you can see here, let me show you friends for more details. Let me show that's not a chart after last 1 day. Let's see. But friends, the short-term investor going to buy the OMI coin in the last 1 day. As you can see at this time, I'm talking about this time. At this time, the OMI coin starts jumping, so the holders, the people who want to buy OMI coin, and when they reach to the profit, so they decide to sell. Especially short-term investor. I'm talking about the short-term investor. That is why the price chart occur in the OMI coin is going negative. Anyways, if we look the currently situation of the OMI coin in the market, so currently they start jumping, and I hope this jump of the OMI coin is going positive friends. So they continue this jump for a long time, I hope. Don't worry, please, my personal suggestion, my personal recommendation for all of my viewers, especially for my subscriber, is that please don't do this mistake, don't set it. It's time to hold OMI token. Anyways, if you look the price changes occur in the OMI in the last 12 hours, so negative 5.09% negative change occur in the OMI, and the highest price is 0.004077 USD dollar is the highest price of the OMI friends. What's your opinion? What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box. And kindly friends, once again I request all of you that please subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.